Tesla, we've got the low to upper 350s as our meaningful longer-term price ceiling that, unless we can close above 358.58, does allow this market to fall back. We don't have a sell signal per se longer term, but we are still in the midst of one over the 2 to 3 week time horizon. That came into play when we tested over a week ago for several days straight that 348.96, a rising channel top, which we now couple with the low to upper 350s. So this is just like one big range of resistance now. We do anticipate channel support as a 2 to 3 week target. And we're about a week and a half into that, and that channel bottom is at 306.86. In this area, 307.44 down to 306.86 is an area that if you've, number one, been short for the last week and a half following the upper 340s testing of resistance, you want to cover that short position. You may also consider going long here, 2 to 3 week swing traders, because from here we can round back up into the upper 340s to upper 350 within 2 to 3 weeks of testing 306.86. But if we close below it, 3 to 5 day and 2 to 3 week swing traders should reverse and go short. Anticipating then 276.88 the day itself. Above 318.59 we can test, possibly today, 332.65, below which we can fall by the end of next week to our 306.86 2 to 3 week target. Nvidia, yesterday we collapsed back below that 179.30 2.5 year channel top. If we close Friday at 179.30 or higher, we maintain the integrity of that 2 to 3 month buy signal up to 219.64. 169.88 is our support through the rest of the week. And if we can hold this, there is the decent chance that over the next few days with present volatility, we can spring back and close the week at or above 179.30. If we don't close back above 179.30 and stay in the present price area, then I am skewing to the downside. I think then there's a decent chance that in the days or the week to follow that we then do close below 169.88. And so bottom line, it is a settlement below 169.88 that is our clear indicator for likely 3 to 5 week downside continuation to the 149.41 level. Is that longer term horizontal channel structure we settled above a couple of months ago that then indicated 179.30. And then we closed above that channel top 2 weeks ago, which set up 219.64 as a 2 to 3 month target. So if you're like a 3 to 5 day swing trader, you can buy 169.88 and you can sell or take profits at 179.30. You can sell 179.30 through the rest of the week. Now for the day itself, we do have 178.95. We've got 179.55 on the daily chart. This is an area that can contain buying through the rest of the week. I do want to see us close at or above the 179.30 level on Friday to maintain the integrity of that buy signal. In other words, this would have been just a vicious head fake to the downside, and then we can anticipate upward continuation into the fourth quarter. 219.64 expected within 2 to 3 months, assuming we close tomorrow, Friday, the week itself, at 179.30 or higher. Until then, we are bound to retest 169.88. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.